Today we are going to learn about object arrays in Java. Arrays usually hold simple data types like int or string, but sometimes we want to store more complex data, like a list of products, each with a name, price, and quantity. For that, we use object arrays. First, let's create a product class that stores details for each product. Class product, string name, double prices, int quantity, and let's use a constructor here. Product string name, double price, int quantity, this dot name equal to name, this dot price equal to price, this dot quantity equal to quantity. And let's use method to display product info. Void display method, system.out.println product plus name, price plus price, quantity plus quantity. Now we make an array that stores product objects. Public class product database, public static void main string args, and let's create product array of size 3. Product array of products equal to new product 3. Product 0 equal to new product laptop 99.5. Headphones 49.20. Smartphone 79.10. And let's display all products. For int I equal to 0, I less than products.length I plus plus. Products I dot display, and the output will be product laptop, price, quantity, product headphones, price, quantity, product smartphone, price, quantity. So why this matters? Objects arrays let you store complex data instead of just numbers or text. You can store multiple objects in one array and process them easily. This is how real-world apps manage product catalogs, user lists, and more.